How to change your domain name in GoDaddy. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application GoDaddy, or you can move into any of the web browser and then head over to the official site. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage. Now what you gotta do is click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can see tons of different options. Inside account, move into my products. In this page, you will be able to see your domain name that you have added before. I haven't added any, so it's not available to me right now. If you want to change it, all you gotta do is you need to click on Manage option right beside your domain name. Once you have clicked on it, you will be able to edit and change it. You need to search for another domain name that you want to add. From here, choose a specific one and then click on Add to Cart. Click on Continue to Cart at the bottom of the screen. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and then you'll need to click on Continue to Cart. Wait for a while for it to load. Now simply move ahead for the checkout. Click on Checkout at the bottom. Enter your payment method and then pay the amount. After that, your domain name will be changed and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.